She put it in your hat?
Mm-hmm.
The food lady?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
And that's,
What did you get? What did you order?
I ordered cheese and grits.
Oh, that sounds good. What did you order, Hadley?
I ordered fish, that too.
And that too?
I ordered that.
I think that's a chicken.
But I got that. That was
You got that?
my menu.
Do you know what this is?
What?
Oxtails. Would you like to eat oxtail?
Mm-mm.
No.
I ordered that.
That? Those are ribs. Those are good.
And I ordered that. I ordered that and that.
Turkey
That and that.
and roast beef. That's good.
I ordered
Pork chops.
I ordered 2 drinks for us.
You did?
I ordered 2 drinks for us.
Good job.
I ordered this bottle and I ordered this bottle.
Yeah. What is this?
I ordered the red one. That's mac and cheese.
That is mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese and some water.
And some water. That sounds
And
good.
I ordered the red drink. It's called
And some salmon.
Red drink.
That's the chicken.
Oh, what's those?
Let me see.
What's those? Oh,
Grapes. For
grapes.
some reason, that's a chicken
Green
served with
And what's
grapes.
that? What's that?
and rosemary.
What's that?
Where?
What's that? What's that?
That's a steak.
And what's that?
Where? That's a steak.
And I ordered these and 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 these.
All of that?
All of them.
Do you know what this is?
What?
Turkey necks. Would you like to eat a turkey neck?
Mm-mm. But what is this?
Where?
What's that?
That's dog food.
Oh.
Would you eat dog food?
Mm-mm.
What else?
Eat this. Is that
Chickens? Is that jelly? No, that's peas in a can.
Jelly?
Oh, that's jelly.
Is that jelly?
That's spaghetti sauce. You guys hungry?
What's that?
Where? What?
I ordered that.
Where? You ordered what?
I ordered all of it.
All of it. Are you really hungry?
Cause he ordered all of it. The
Oh.
meal lady gave me my food in my hat.
The meal lady? She's called a waitress. Or a wait person. What do you think, Hadley?
Put my food in my hat so I can eat it. There's no food for you.
That's not nice.
All the food for me.
That's a lot of food. I don't think you can eat it all.
It will make your tummy sick.
That's right. Might make your tummy hurt.
It's tin food.
Oh.
Anyone ate all that food?
Did his tummy hurt?
No, he didn't. His tummy doesn't hurt when he eats all that.
Oh, would your tummy hurt if you ate all that?
No.
No.
This is what you menued.
That's what you menued?
And oh, this food is for me.
Oh. Is Hadley on a diet?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
This, all of the food is for me.
Hmm.
This food is for Penguin.
And it's for Penguin too?
Penguin's a
Okay.
cereal.